Hello everyone, this is Jim from Auto Finance. Welcome back to our channel. We are with you on 10th of March afternoon analysis. 1 hour ago, we have received the data of US inflation. It was released as 7.9%. So it was important because next week Fed meeting, it's all about this inflation. They will just decide the rate hike. It will just be minimum 0.25 and it may go up to 0.50, and that's according to the war scenarios and war happenings. All right. And also we have received interest rate decision of ECB officials, and they just keep unchanged. And on TV, Christine Lagarde has spoken, and she just gave messages supporting the economy, and that was a really supportive talk. She just told that the inflation is without, but the problem is not related to European countries; it's related to Russia. So we should support economy on other asset purchases, not like pandemic, but she just gave signals possible asset purchases in expanding balance sheet. It was like that. All right, and let's start with first chart. The first chart is NASDAQ. As you can see here, NASDAQ is just moving up and down and trying to stay on this level, which this level is 13,500 levels. If it just can just manage to stay on this level, it will just try another high levels just like this. But it just seems that just struggling on that one because expectation of rate hike 0.50. It's if that idea just gets stronger, then it will definitely bearish for the NASDAQ and also for S&P indexes. Right now, the market just opened in US 5 minutes ago and cannot decide, and just giving signals of some sell-off can be observed in this index. All right, let's look at our second chart.
You are ready to win with us. GAN Markets.
All right, our second chart is Ethereum. As you can see here, Ethereum is also on decline because everybody is expecting dollar index go up, which is happening right now, and this is creating a pressure on that one. Fed officials, if they just raise the rates, just similar to NASDAQ, just similar to technology tech stocks, and investor will just enjoy high interest rate. I'm not talking about a 5-6%, but still compared to current level of interest rate, bank interest rates, it will be something, and it's starting to go higher. When it just start to go higher, each meeting will just make some more impact, and then we'll try to make inflation lower level. And when we see some increase on interest rates, then it will just be a higher level of US Treasury bonds. They will be more valuable. They will just bring more real yield on that one. That's the expectation. That's why it's on decline, but still just mid of these two support and resistance area. As long as we see these is just touching to 2,400 level, it's just critical level, then we will just watch what will happen next. Let's look at our last chart. All right, our last chart is GBP, Japanese yen. Japanese yen is the weakest currency of this week. It's just on decline. It has tested a lowest level of the last 5 years today and reaching to 116 US dollar level. Now we are checking, and we are seeing that losing to devaluating currency and trying to just kind of pass each other on that one. Let me just show you this one. GBP as well is just recording low levels of that one, and still if it is still some rise is happening, and this level is critical. It's starting to make some deep points, as you can see here. If you just see some more time spent on here, it may test, it may just go back to 153 area. So right now, as you can see here, it's just struggling to stay on this level, but still, as long as we see that one, we may see another trial of high level. All right, thank you so much for watching us. We will be together on more news, and then we will cover more charts with you. Have a nice and profitable day. Bye.